Hey there, icon beauties and bows. So I was online looking at trendy men's haircuts, something fun for the summer, and I came across this awesome haircut worn by professional soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo, and I immediately became inspired and wanted to replicate this look. But first things first, I went in with an open lever and I removed the bulk on the back and sides. Like the inspiration picture, I cut above the parietal ridge, aka where the comb leaves the head, on the right side of the mannequin so that I can cut the hard part on top of his head. With my Andy Slimline Pro, I cut a hard part and I scissor cut the top and left it 3 inches long, which is long enough to style and comb over. And voila, here's the final result. I like to hold myself to a high standard, so I evaluated myself on 2 standards: execution and style. For execution, I give myself 4.5 out of 5 stars, only because my hard part wasn't as diagonal as Ronaldo's, but I do the best I can when cutting on doll hair. I was really impressed, amazed, and astonished at how well the blending of this fade came out. It looks seamless as it flows to a skillfully crafted scissor cut top. So, what haircuts or hairstyles are you rocking this summer? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Bye.